all this dance you're dancing in this house is just for fun.
Yes, Mama, it's just for fun. I'm not dancing for anybody, not for any prince.
I caught a lady dancing, but when she saw me, she ran away.
Can you imagine the bastard? Have the temerity, the audacity to touch my precious daughter?
I don't know why you're treating me like this. I've shown you so much love. You should reciprocate now.
I want to be your wife. I want to spend the rest of my life with you as you wish.
Bishop, you need to understand something. If you can't acknowledge me as your boyfriend in public, you can't come at night seeking for love.
I was told that Isioma is pregnant. You're responsible for it.
Jesus! The maidens of this land will come to the palace and dance for you.
You are going to dance and win his heart. That day you must get married to this.
I don't want to go for any dance competition.
Chisom, I love you so much, and I will do anything humanly possible to see you happy.
But it's not working. Can't you see? We do not match.
I want to marry her, take her abroad, or any country of her choice.
Maria shouldn't be talking to you about marrying me. What is that?
It really will make no difference if you marry our daughter or not.
You have 2 days to choose your wife.
If I find the woman I want, I will let you know. You can't be imposing them on me.
The prince is interested in Isioma and he's going to make Isioma the queen of this village.
Because I'm not interested in getting married to the prince or anybody.
Madam, you don't know who I be. Now me be Iruna the keke doctor. Now me be the #1 keke mechanic for this town.
Okay, because you just come down from car, now AC blow you. Be like say your brain they work, but you know they work.
You keep throwing money on her face. That will not make Ihuoma fall for you.
Did I ask you for money? Please go away with this. I don't need it.
If you know you are pretty and you can shake your waist and body, come on the stage.
Were you practicing those dance steps for me?
I love dancing. I have been dancing since I was a child.
When did you start dancing? When did you develop interest in dancing?
I said it was my sister that was teaching me how to dance.
Your character stinks. It's irritating, Doris. It is choking me.
You of all persons should know that this palace is like my second home for now.
How could you allow our only son to travel out of this kingdom without picking a wife?
Let him go out there and do whatever he thinks that will make him happy.
Stress us for Africa, Jesus Christ! But I knew he wasn't going to come. I knew that.
He's always misbehaving. Good morning, Oiruna.
Good morning, Debbie. When I don't come back. Yes, sir. Good morning, Chisom. Good morning. Fine girls, better students. How are you doing now?
Fine, though. Don't they go work?
Yes, we go work.
That one where we are red and Chromoto lifestyle.
Okay, you don't log it. I don't like what they do for this side. Now go just do that, go just misbehave. What is this now? Come on for here, Johnny. Now go to sleep anyhow. See time we they go work. Eh?
Ginika! Ginika! Where is this girl? Ginika! Where is my pap?
Papa, the water is almost ready.
You know I have to eat early.
Hey, Papa, cool down. I'm coming.
Good morning.
Good morning. Are you set to go? Are you not going with your mother?
You know your wife now. You like take her time.
Where are you now?
All the time, you people want to hurry somebody. Hurry, hurry. You can allow me to dress.
You know say na money customer.
I better go.
Dancing it well now. You're supposed to calm down, bend your waist.
I don't understand, Mama. Am I not bending?
No, what is the meaning of this one now? We bring your waist down. Let your waist be down.
My friend, play the drum. I know what I'm doing. Who told you I don't know how to dance?
No, you're not dancing it well.
I beg, play the drum. I know what I'm doing.
You're not dancing it well. You're not dancing it well.
Okay, fine. Since I don't know how to dance, oh yeah, come and show me.
No, like what I'm just saying.
Drop it. Come and show me.
I want you to bend your waist. You know, bend your waist so it will be going like this.
Is it not like this?
And bend it here, go down.
Hey, now it's the same thing now. What are you saying?
Bend your waist like this. Bend it like this.
Mama.
Because Chima has finished you. Otana, yeah. You cannot bend your waist like this. Bend it like this. At this age.
Mama, leave me.
Bend it. Bend your waist. Oh yeah. Play that drum. Look at what you're doing. Hey. Does it mean this dance is for free?
Mama, leave me alone now. Am I not dancing? Everyone should stop, John.
So this big, you cannot roll your waist.
Mama, I'm tired. I can't dance again. I'm tired.
Oh yeah, play. Let me show. Look, see, you bend your waist like this. You roll it. You are a woman. Roll it.
I've heard.
You are here. You have the pop up. You are just like this.
Is it by force to do this thing? I'm tired though.
Oh yeah, you play for her. Like mad woman. Stand and look at. Oh yeah, you. Go inside and carry the cutlass and go to farm. Oh yeah. Go and clear Mazil.
Prochima, welcome.
I said, go be going, Prochima.
Good morning.
Mama, who is the cutlass? Hell. Chima Obim. Let me see. Oh, this is my future in-law. You will not kill us with. Hey! You will not finish me with food.
Well, Mama, it's nothing. It's nothing.
Mama, come and let me drop this.
Okay. You know, Dad told me that there was no food stock in the house, so I had to bring this from my shop.
Okay.
I'm going to Onisha now to buy more goods.
You're going to Oncha?
Yes.
That reminds me. Please, remember back to buy me that Azumangala.
You like manga.
Mangala fish, I love it a lot.
The dried one now?
Yes, nah.
No problem, Mama. I'll get it. I'll get it once.
Thank you so much.
I also told her to write a list so I can...
Ada! Come now. Come and escort him. Let her escort you, eh?
Sorry, Mama.
Where is the list now? He's going to Oncha. The list he said you should write.
Mama, I will send it through WhatsApp for you.
If you're going to Oncha, see, be careful. Oncha boys, their eyes are red. Oncha. Be careful, please.
No problem.
Oh, yeah, now.
Thank you very much, Mama.
Mama.
All right. So, I'll be back from there.
Very nice boy. My in-law to be. Every time, full stuff. Bye-bye.
I don't understand.
You're not following. I see.
No, I'm trying to understand what you're saying. The meetings will
I said in 7 days, the maidens of this land will come to the palace and dance for you.
I see.
You see what? Have you forgotten the culture and tradition of your people? Maidens will come and dance.
I know, Mom. I remember 7 meetings.
Yes. 7 maidens will come and dance for you to choose your queen. That is, if any of them is lucky enough to dance her way into your heart.
I see.
Son, have you forgotten how I won your father's heart? You know I'm a good dancer now.
You told me that story countless times, how you won his heart.
Okay. All right. I should go down.
Okay, Mama.
Dinner is waiting.
All right, Mom, I'm coming. I'm just a bit tired, but I'll be fine.
Just shower and don't keep me waiting.
Yeah, sure.
Because I'm waiting for you.
Sure, Mom. Okay.
You worry yourself too much. What is it, woman?
Don't ask me what is it. Don't. How could you allow our only son to travel out of this kingdom without picking a wife? You're the one spoiling that boy. Anything and everything he says, you just give your absolute support without questioning. Look at it now. I miss my son. I miss him.
Don't be dramatic this morning, please. I am not out for this. He's a man. He knows what he wants. We have failed him. So let him go out there and do whatever that will make him happy.
Outside the kingdom?
Yes.
Your Highness, can you hear yourself speak? Can you? It's not your fault. After all, you're not the one that carried him in your womb for 9 months. If not, you would have felt the pain I'm feeling. Can you imagine? I called him separately. Yes, he didn't pick my call. Not even one.
But he chatted you up this morning. What is it? Why not relax yourself?
Chat and speaking is not the same thing. I want to hear the voice of my son. I miss him. Hey, Your Highness, in fact, this thing has to stop. It's enough. It has to stop, please. It has to stop.
It's okay. Can we go and eat and have peace? I have meeting with the elders. Can we?
You just want to divert my attention from the topic. No problem.
Hello, Dad. No, Dad, wait, let me talk to you. No, Dad, but I spoke to Mom. Father, I fell asleep. Sorry about that. Father, can you pause and listen to me? Please. See, finish with your food, yeah? I'll call you back later. Like right now, I'm driving. I'm in the middle of the road. Yes, I will call you back, please. I promise, Father. I'll call you. Thank you. I love you guys. Bye-bye.
You know you are more beautiful anytime you are angry. Yes.
So, because I look beautiful when I'm angry, that's why you and your son want to always make me angry.
Please, can we go and have our breakfast? Like I said, I will be having a meeting with my council of elders by 10 a.m. this morning.
Deborah, why are you so annoying? How many times do we have to warn you against speaking with those dirty things out there? I mean, things, not even one. Why now? Why did they fall our hand?
I don't understand. Don't I have rights to greet my neighbors? What is this one?
No, you see, I don't have problem with you greeting, no. Do I? My problem is that you do too much. Your busybody is too much. You don't even know when to stop. I mean, those guys are not even our levels.
Wait, let me ask you. There's something I'm meaning to ask. Please, what is the occupation of those guys? Especially the fair one, because he keeps staring at me as if I'm owing him or something. What did they do, I beg?
Chisom, I weep. Do you want to know what those guys do for a living?
Please.
You want me to tell you?
Tell me.
They are ordinary mechanics. Mechanic tush now. And auto rickshaws repairers.
It's a lie.
I swear, I go lie for you.
It's mechanic job, not a job. What are you even saying? These guys, they are not jobless. They are not kidnappers. They are not even bandits. I don't understand what your problem is with mechanic.
So if they should ask you now, Deborah, come and stand and tell us, what do your boyfriend do for a living? You now stand up and say, oh, my boyfriend is a proud auto rickshaw repair.
See,
how does it sound?
Doris, I pity you. I pity you more. See who they open mouth, they laugh, person will be mechanic. What do your papa they do for village? As me and you sit down here, all of us know saying a carpenter your papa they do. You they laugh another person. Carpenter.
I will.
And you are here smiling and laughing.
Let me warn you, I will take anything from you, but don't you dare refer to my dad at home.
What would you do?
No try am.
What would you do?
My papa no there, no try am or else.
Your papa
I will show you the other side of
you. You do anything. Stop
at least you don't bring our level down too much. You don't
stop insulting them. They don't nothing to you.
What how?
But it's because they are not looking at you.
Okay.
Madam.
But Deborah, let me ask you. That your father is a carpenter, does it warrant you to go and date a carpenter? Don't you want to upgrade? You know what upgrade?
I mean, look at us. Is that not why we are even hustling?
Is this one upgrading? Don't worry. Don't worry. You are going to cry. Leave this one so that she'll be misleading you. Doris, carry hand.
I don't want you see this girl. I don't even want to talk too much. But listen, I didn't notice this.
Ordinary auto rickshaw repairers.
Hey!
You know, an inferiority complex.
What? Is there inferiority waiting complex? Me, that can stand up anyhow I am. Look at you. All this rubbish you're carrying on your head, she is because you want to meet up to somebody's standard. I'm pitying for you. You see this Doris, she's going to put you where you will not like at the end of the day.
But at least
follow.
Look at now. Posh baby. Very classy. My baby for life.
Hey!
She won that.
Carpenter pikin.
Also rich. I will tell you.
Hey!
Rutu, Don't you think that all these things you are taking are too much? Huh. Even missing them. The other day you came, you took some self. You just eating anyhow. I did not blame you, I blame Shima. I blame Shima. Child. Shima. How many times did I call you? I said this girl will bring down this shop for you. Remember the other day you told me that you don't have money to stock up your shop. Shima, yet you went ahead to take their family for shopping. Don't know say I did not tell you. Shima, do not say I did not tell you. When it happens, don't call me. Don't say I did not tell you.
Emeka, if not the respect I have for you, I would have thrown you out of my shop. This is my future wife. This is my woman. Why can't you mind your business for once, guy? Eh?
Oh, I'm not the bad person.
Is it your shop?
I'm not the bad person.
Is it your business?
Oh, I can see. You are positioning yourself. You are positioning your heart for a very hard breakup. I will laugh you that day. I will laugh you. I said this girl is not good for you. Shima, this girl is not good for you. Hear me now. Don't say I did not tell you later.
You know what pains me the most? The fact that you're complaining about something that is not your business.
Okay.
Guy, where's your own shop? Where's your own life? Mind your business now. Leave my life alone. Fix your life.
Okay.
I cannot stop spending on my wife to be, and that is on period.
Oh,
yes.
Wife to be.
My wife to be.
Wife to be. The same woman that want to finish this shop for you. The same woman that have emptied this shop. Look at everywhere now. Everywhere are dirty. Look at everywhere. That woman, you are still dying for that woman. You are finished though. I can see you are finished. Your life has finished.
Do you even have someone that loves you? Do you have a girlfriend?
Okay.
Eh? Go and fix your life first, guy. Take my love life alone.
Nah. Me, I don't tire, eh? Your stepmother, that woman a very wicked woman, I swear to God. Eh? A very wicked person. How one person go beat work? See all this place. Go beat work, collect better money on top. Now me and you go still do the work. See, I dare they suffer. See on my hand. This they trick me up and down. She don't go give you. 1 naira, you know the
EGK is okay now. You don't do. Eh? Stop complaining. Except you just tell me say you don't tire. You're tired. Stop using that one as an excuse.
I don't tire. Me, I don't tire now. I don't tire. I know they do again, safe.
EGK.
See be this one.
So you want to leave all this work for me? Eh? Me, it's your mind. You want to leave all these things for me?
Yeah. I go do, but first you go accept say your stepmother is a very wicked woman. You go accept, you go admit I'm saying a very wicked person.
Okay, fine, no problem. Now very wicked woman. She's wicked.
Yeah.
Yes, very wicked.
She's wicked.
Where she wicked. Oh yeah, let's walk. Oh.
I did do this work because of saying you.
I know.
Because of saying my friend. If not, I not send that your wicked stepmother.
I know. You've already started this.
Wicked, like, see, something they bite me. I'm not beside they even pay me.
No worry, I'll buy you cold mots.
Cold mots?
Yes, just do it.
Oh yeah, nah.
You've already started. Let's finish it.
Okay. You go wicked like that. Eh?
So now girl make you no one play what now girl.
Wait, but na true. Waiting that all those bunch of chromotos they feel like for that compound.
That play what see.
Now they feel like three straight Queen Elizabeth. They feel Morgan Cleman and be waiting they call that woman.
Those ones na people. You know see one when be say announce Ben.
That
don't reach that brother now.
When no get flesh, nothing to hold. Your friend they fall like this now. You better hold pillow than to hold that girl.
Now pillow. Now nothing to how I got to think about like this though.
Na lie.
They play.
You want fall in love? Which of them? Chisom, that one I say she know the mess. Nothing. That chromoto.
That one when you say if you greet, no the reply. When I say why the greet person, maybe say they be down the piece. You dey like Kromoto?
You no go understand. Chisom na correct girl now. Chisom na girl we say get sense. Na girl we say I dey see future with because na very correct girl. I know wetin I dey talk.
Hey, now girl when no get respect in the talk say get sense so. I rebuke that love when they say want to enter your head. I rebuke her for you. God forbid.
See, if wetin that girl go do your heart,
Oga play your word.
Go do your heart,
Chairman, Chemo.
Onishi, Onyoshi.
Chemo, welcome to me. Onyeshi.
No. They hear you as Oga.
Chemo, I beg no mind am.
Why that keke never fix?
That keke. Chairman, no be small problem we get today. That man will be say we supposed to finish in work. Come meet us today. They treasure me say we will never finish. I tell them my oga never come back.
They plug mouth. If they want put you, so we put oil for the plug. Put oil for the plug.
No, they take the look at me. I don't understand. Wetin dey under leg?
We just dey happy. Just mamas. I tell them say, for God so love, pam. Let me be that.
So you know rush since fix am. Now where you come see me now, what you wanna dey hide under table?
What? I be go down to Mesa. What I want hide?
I say what you wanna dey hide under table? Okay?
Oh God, come on, that's the way they look now. You go give you IBP. Now they tell you so.
Okay? What think these boys they turn to? See this fair one, what they saying about Iruna! Iruna, come back here. Come back here. Iruna. Do you know that someone would think that you are very innocent, but they don't know that you are the bad among them?
I don't know what these boys do. I even want them. This is what they play. Me, I just sit down here after I get issue with that guy. I know just they happy. Now why I just dey beg no vex. Beg.
So you just dey here, they play what? You know if you go fix that keke, where the owner don't they wait for us?
That keke, I don't try what you go fit do. I be the wait me come I collect money, go buy that part where you ask me to buy now. Beg no vex. I don't want all this. But these boys they go put me for problem for this workshop. They go put me for problem.
You sure say no be my money where these boys they carry they drink beer like this?
No, now you know say I no go fix that here. Make they use your money to do all this. All these boys, I dey watch them well. Now I dey watch them. I bet no verse. It no go happen again.
Oh yeah, go meet Oga Timothy for a shop. Make him give him my money while working again. Yeah?
No while.
Alright, go, come enter inside. Go remove that apron.
Sorry, Chemo.
Go collect money. Come for me.
Wow, these boys won't put me for problem today. Eh? I know they like. I tell them I know they like all this kind of thing.
Okay.
Monica, this one that you're running like
you.
What is it?
Have you not heard?
Monica, tell me now, what is it?
Huh? That our prince, the prince of Umeze, crown prince is back. Life and direct.
Okay. Did he refuse to come back before?
Hey, why are you asking such question? As if you don't know the royal pattern of the prince choosing a maiden for himself.
I've forgotten. You know what I have on this head is too much. Remind me again.
Since you have forgotten, let me tell you. The prince must choose a maiden through a royal dance competition. And anyone that pleases him or triggers his heart, he will choose as a wife. Inform your daughter so. Thank God, me, I have 2 sisters, and I pray to the God that one of them will become a queen. I can't wait for my sisters to become a queen. Hey! Nah, can you need you? Inform your daughters.
The prince will be choosing a maiden in a few days' time.
Wait. Let's do.
You want to change style? How much have you paid me in playing drums for you?
Stop
Since
now.
I've been playing drums for you, have you ever paid me?
Your reward is in heaven.
My reward is in heaven.
Yes.
How much do they even pay you?
Pay me what? I do it for free. Now they don't have to pay me.
You do it for free.
You know, I've been teaching these children, this secondary school children, how to dance for their competitions. So I want to teach them new dance step. Oh yeah, play.
This is the one you taught them the other time. How much did they pay you?
Oh, EJK, stop! I don't want the money now. Just for the love of it. Play. Let's go. Oh yeah. Let's change style. Don't play that one. Mama.
Welcome, ma.
Adobe. Mama, she's not at home. Oh yeah. Go to Chima's shop. Tell her that I want to see her immediately. In fact, let her come with you. Now. Go. Get out. Jobless idiot.
No.
If you can come in here.
Okay, I'll wait for you.
Are you jobless? Eh? So all you know how to do is pakrupa. Are you mad?
Sorry.
I'm talking your God, drop that. Are you a thief?
Sorry.
The day you impregnate this girl, that day you will see my action. Come on, get out of this place, thief. The day this girl will complain that you impregnate her, that thing in between your legs, if I don't cut it off, malo. Jobless idiot. Pakrupa. If you ain't no bema. Pakrupa. Jobless idiot. Oh, look at you, long tree. Very long tree. Jobless long tree. Ndị ala. Pakrupa.
Welcome. Thank you. Good day. Please, did you see my sister?
She should be at Shima's place. Yes.
Shima's place.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
And please wait, please.
Okay.
Remember the other day what I told you about? Hey, you're not saying anything about my proposal now. I told you I love you so much. I can do anything just to make you happy. You're the only one I love in this village. Please accept my proposal. You know I love you so much.
Emeka, you said she's at Chima's house, right?
Yes.
God bless you.
This girl.
Chiamaka. Who is Chiamaka calling Chima? Okay. Chiamaka again.
Chima!
Babe. What's going on? The way you shouted, you startled me now.
Who is Chiamaka?
Chiamaka.
Oh, stop that pretend of yours. She just called. Who is Chiamaka?
Oh, come on, babe. It's a lady from the microfinance bank. Now, I was supposed to pay her today now. You know, we do business now, so the contribution and all, I have to pay them up today.
Are you sure?
Yes. I mean, you can call her and find out yourself, so you know that I have nothing to hide. I have no cockroach in my cupboard.
So, you're not cheating on me?
Babe, I mean, even if anybody told you I was cheating on you, would you believe? I would never cheat on you with that lady. Come on now, have a beautiful damsel.
See, it's not that I'm jealous, so let me hold on. It's not that I'm jealous. The thing is that I don't want any woman to take away from me. Chima, I love you so much and I want to spend the rest of my life with you.
Well, I love you as much. No woman, born of a woman, can take me away from you.
Are you sure?
I am certain.
Okay.
I'll give you more than one kiss. Love you.
I love it too.
I swear it. Well, let me finish what I'm cooking for you. I'm preparing your favorite.
I don't want to eat.
Why?
I want you to do.
Look, let me get you something to eat so that we can destroy each other.
Okay.
I have something on the fire already, so I don't want to get burnt, okay?
Alright. Thank you so much. Bad guy.
I'll be right back, okay?
Alright, baby. Please, I can't wait for you to finish me. Oh, please come. I'm missing your touch already.
That's my baby.
Alright.
Your baby. Sister. Your baby. Your baby. Oh, sister. What is it? What? What is it? What is it? What is it? Mama said I should call you. She said, Mama is calling you. She said I should come with you now.
My friend, get out. Tell my man that I will see her soon. Just go.
She said you should follow me now.
I said you should go. I'll slap you now. Come on, get out.
Mama said
Baby, I'm coming.
You know, say I drop a pay for you, Abi.
I know now. Go sit down now. Make I check wetin dey happen for my keke. You know, say you no gree start.
You no gree start. I mean, somebody carry dead keke enter road. Not tell me to calm down.
You know they see this keke. How you take be dead keke? You know they see say na brand new chassis.
Na cause I see say na woman. I cause say I try. I see other men for the road. Oh, I for still enter that keke. Oh, not tell me that was say I calm down. Oh, start your keke. I drop a pay for.
I don't even know why I carry you because you don't even look like gentleman. See your face.
Gentleman see the Nigeria. Who should be say I don't look like gentleman? I beg, give me my money, man. They go. Give me my money, man. Go. Give me my money, man. Give me my money. I don't want to sit down again. Give me my money, man. Go. Give me my money. Give me my money, man. Come on for here.
Calm down now.
I'm not gonna calm any down. Who should you tell me, man? Calm down. Give me my money, man. Go. Why you carry keke who no good? I see woman wey beside you to say, man, carry for keke. You tell me that one. Give me my money, man. Go.
You waiting there? How much you pay me, sef?
That keke guy dey the road. Give me my money, man. Go. Give me my money, man. Go. Carry dead keke enter side road.
How much you pay me, sef?
Carry me for middle of nowhere.
You don't do they go. You talk like woman. See in head.
You talk like man. You talk like man.
Carry bebe like he goat. Fool. No be your fault. No be your fault. Now your bad luck make my keke no start. Now new keke be this. You not supposed they get this issue. Take God. Wetin come do this keke? Wetin happen? Whoa! This kind of bad luck this morning. I no just understand. Yeah. God, I dey find you.
Madam, how far now? What did you do your keke?
Nah, Oga, good afternoon.
Good
I no understand this keke. Now every week that yeye mechanic dey collect money from my hand. They say they fix and they fix one thing, they fix another thing. But every week they do this nonsense. He go drive me, reach one point, he go park. And a new keke oh. Hey. Kai, Oga, abeg. You know any better mechanic? Good one, or the one where be say church dey in heart. We go use in church heart take fix this keke for me. Abeg, I don't tire.
So, madam, you define keke mechanic when I dey here. Madam, you don't know who I be. Na me be Iruna the keke doctor. Na me be the #1 keke mechanic for this town. Nobody come close. Now this keke work I take the chop. What did they do your keke, madam?
If I know what they do, I go there here they struggle with that. No be you say you be number #1 keke. Hey, check am now. I don't know.
Wait, make I check.
Hi.
Madam, this your keke na new one, no?
A new keke now. I go lie for you.
Well, when last they check the plug? Come be like say this thing.
Oga, na every week I dey give that idiot money. Na every week I dey give am money. He dey fix one thing go. Wetin you know wetin they do?
Madam, calm down. Na keke doctor you dey talk to.
No go.
Na keke surgeon I be. Na my work be this. Na wetin I take the chop dey feed my family. Madam, you know wetin go happen? I wan settle down do this your job well for you like this. We go push am, then we go pack am for that day. Make I settle down do this your job for you. Yeah? No wahala, I dey with you. I go now, make we go push am. Madam, calm down now. You know say this thing I don't dey know for many years. Go push am go that day. When last you change your plug?
I don't know. Guy, alpha.
Make I check. This is your oil.
I check the oil dey okay.
Hey, madam, this your oil you don't black now. See how now?
You don't black. You don't black, madam. See, na brown.
Don't black, madam. I know it's not the talk. Go check this thing. Can't they come out well now? Can't they wonder? See, madam, you know what you go happen,
Wait.
I no carry my tools for here. We will carry this thing, We'll push and go my workshop now. Make I settle down. Fix this thing well for you.
Oh yeah, no.
And now what you will just do with that?
No, they go. Time no day to check time. No, they go. Wait. Make a look.
Never look. Madam, make I help you now. Madam,
Oga, push him now.
Madam,
push him.
Na keke doctor you talk to like this, so.
Oga, push him first.
No.
Never know your work first.
No, you go see am now.
Hold the clutch, just hold the clutch, just clutch am.
Oh yeah, push.
Hey, madam.
You never chop today.
This your work. Na VIP work I dey give you so.
Push him. Where your shot?
Na this I know they go straight. Don't worry, straight today, madam. Don't worry, I dey with you. I get you covered. Don't worry, madam.
Oga,
na keke doctor dey talk.
Your Majesty, it's not mandatory that our prince will pick a maiden from the dancer, though it is part of our tradition.
Oh.
No. I want my son to choose a wife from the maiden dancers.
Same with me here. Yes, same.
Beautiful maidens?
Of course. You cannot be ugly and come to dance for my son. If you know you are pretty and you can shake your waist and body, come on the stage and show the prince what you got.
In those days, maidens that feel they deserve the royal home and is beautiful, smart, intelligence, and of good character, who is able to dance well is picked. Yes, that is how they used to do it then. But today's women who claim They are beautiful, but lack morality and are full of desperation.
Well, if they have good morals, and of course can dance well, then I'm game for it.
Well, let us save this discussion for another day.
Okay, Father, I want to take a walk around the village. More like a village tour. I'll be back.
Okay, so have fun, okay?
Thank you.
I'm so happy that I saw this back.
You know my colleagues, I mean, Nnenna, Asa, and Ugochi. They are secretly practicing a royal dance.
Why?
And they are trying their luck now to see if the prince will pick any of them.
Those girls are funny. I thought they have boyfriends.
I wonder, I wonder.
So tell me, why are you not practicing?
No, now. How would you say such a thing? Are you not my man? You know I love you, and it is you that I want, not the prince, Biko.
Are you sure?
Yes, now.
Are you sure? Oh, greetings, my prince.
Greetings. You're the chief palace guard?
Yes, my prince.
And you're the chief palace maiden?
Yes, my prince.
I see. Are you guys dating?
Yes, my prince. Yes.
I see, I could tell. I don't break her heart.
No, my prince, I won't.
I mean it. If you break her heart, you have serious problem with me.
I won't, my prince.
So you follow me for a village tour, eh? Just show me around, eh?
Without pleasure, my prince.
Alright, let's go.
Go well, my prince.
Thank you.
Oh, Mama, what is it again? What is it? Eh? I have told you that I am coming. Ishoma is there now. Hi, Chineke. Mama, Biko, just let me be, Biko. Leave me alone. I have told you. Beg. Every time you be disturbing me up and down. Ishoma is there. What do you want me to do again? MS could do resume, make I come out, I beg. I need to escape from this your nonsense or hala. Every time be disturbing me. Me that don't even like farm work. Eh? I love my soft life, oh, because you know that you're my mother. Eh?
Are you sure you're telling me the truth?
Yes, Mama, I'm telling you the truth. I was only rehearsing a dance I saw in a traditional dance I saw in a video. I'm not dancing for anybody.
So all this dance you're dancing in this house is just for fun?
Yes, Mama, it's just for fun. I'm not dancing for anybody, not for any prince. Besides, do they dance for the prince?
No. Nobody is dancing for the prince. Have you fetched water?
Yes, Mama, I have.
Did you clean the house?
Yes,
everything I asked you to do.
I've done everything. I've cleaned the house. I've fetched water. Everywhere is clean.
If you're done, go and meet that your stupid husband, Ejike. That both of you cannot stay a day without seeing each other. Go and meet him. Until he gets you pregnant, that is when you will see my true color.
Mama,
Mba. It's Mbakwa.
Keep me pregnant.
Go now, go on, so that you will be shifting your pants up and down.
Mama, no, now. He's just my friend. I don't have anything with him.
I said, leave my sight.
Okay, let me just help you. And
get out from here.
Sorry, ma.
He's not shifting your pants. But the other day, your pants was chamfer like this. Very chamfer. So he's not shifting your pants. Go and meet him so that you shift your pants.
Royal dance. Royal heart. It's very hard to enter. Royal dance. Royal heart, yo. It's very hard to enter. Royal dance.
Yeah, madam, I give you just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Leave that place now. If I come there, I will give you beatings of your life. Come back here, Are you mad? Come back.
Mama, this is one thing I don't like about you. Isioma is there now. Why are you disturbing me? Fine, I am close to the house.
This love is blind. This love is blind. It does not go where you think it will go. When you see your soulmate, you go happy. When you see your heart desire, you go happy.
Hey! Prince of my kingdom is very handsome. Hey! Oh. Adore me.
Take this scallop. Take this rubber. Go, you tell them they give you this oil. Look this label well. Now this particular one you go take buy. And if you want buy the original one, you go make sure so you get this benchmark with there too, yeah?
Okay.
Go rush, go buy them now.
No wahala. So if I buy this oil now, my keke go dey okay. No go dey give me problem again.
You go dey work well, no worry. We go service them for you too, yeah?
So yeah, make I go now.
No wahala.
Okay. How far? You go like chow something, make I run as I dey come back.
No worry, I do okay. Go buy make we work this okay first.
You sure?
I do okay. And also you go try make you see they check your oil because that your oil is short well. You dey hear me so?
No wahala.
Yeah, go buy the original one. No, remember that mark way there when I show you,
I
yeah?
don't hear you.
I dey go. No wahala.
They are good.
Hey, come in. You told me you were going to find your way. Please come. I told you I'll come. Well, welcome. Please, thank you very much. Please meet my husband, Igwe Declan Owa. Your Highness, good day.
Greetings.
And the traditional Prime Minister, Onowu Ojofo. Oh no.
You are welcome.
Please, have your seat.
Yes. Thank you,
Your friend you talked about, you met in Mumbai, India.
Yes. And we have kept in touch ever since. I'm so happy to see you. Same there, same.
Nice one. You're welcome to my palace again.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Myself and the Prime Minister are rushing out for a meeting with the autonomous communities of my kingdom. Right about now, they're waiting for me. Hopefully, we may still meet you, but otherwise, next time we'll see.
All right, thank you.
I hope to see you again.
Thank you, Your Highness. Thank you. Oh, no. Thank you. Yeah.
Hello. What's up? How you doing? Please, I have to alight from my car just to speak to you.
What's happen?
Come on, my name is Mario. What's your name?
Why would I tell you my name? I don't tell my names to strangers.
But I'm no longer a stranger. I've already told you my name. And besides, I'm not just here to, to waste your time. I want you to be my girlfriend.
You say what?
I want you to be my girlfriend.
Okay, I say this sun no dey disturb you. Eh? Okay, because you just come down from car, now AC blow you, be like say your brain dey work, but you know they work. You just see person stand under sun, you want make she be your girlfriend, just like that. Now so it dey be. You know whether I be ghost, you know whether I don't die before, I just dey come find where to perch. You go just carry problem put for your head. You try rest though.
I understand you, but we don't have to go ages to know each other. So, at least you can exchange number, then from there we can...
Yeah. Enter your car, make I no embarrass you. Now, keke I dey wait for like this, I beg, they go.
Okay, in that case, I can drop you. Let me drop you.
Drop her. Oga, I beg, they go. I say my keke spoil. I don't want any while. I just come buy oil, make I go workshop. They go now. Now, me even follow you, they talk. I beg, me
excuse me. Hello? Kind of guy is this, man? I understand.
How far now? Where you not there, beg? Where Oga Iruna now?
Oga Afana, as I black so I know this make you can't see say you go come, you go greet me. This black coffee, the entire eye. Yeah, they come here, you go the migrimo.
It's be that.
Waka loss, sabi greet. Not get other person picture for now. Just come, they tell me they park. Where Iruna.
Good afternoon. I beg where Oga Iruna dey.
Girl, also you greet me. You did there, I don't know where to the parent keke before. You don't know that side. No, you carry your problem, go from. Just no, come, make I help you pack am. Yeah, Iruna dey. You did for me. And you, all this emergency chromoto where Iruna they carry come this workshop. All this capital chromoto when they bring come here. And I'm gonna start na type of. Once you greet me now. That means they make you no fresh. Eh? That means they make you no fresh. I blame you.
I don't run am.
You don't come back?
Mm-hmm.
Oops, not the original one you buy you.
Na him now. See what he say make I check.
Sharp. I don't see her.
Abi?
You go better message.
Nice. How far now?
I just say make I finish this my customer care. The man don't disturb me since.
Oh yeah now. You know say time na money. How far now?
Go relax. No worry. Go sit down there. Yeah? Go sit down. I go finish
I beg.
Go sit down.
Mama. Ha! What is mama? Mama, why are you shouting? Eh? Let me tell you something. You must not miss this opportunity. You must not, oh. That day, the prince will avail himself. Why are you behaving like this? Eh? You must dance and win the prince's heart. Okay. Imagine you becoming the queen of our community. Just imagine. Eh? Jenny, I don't know.
Okay. Mama, let me ask you this question. What about Chima?
Oh, who is Chima? Who is Chima? That church rat? How can you compare Chima with our own prince? The prince of this community? Are you okay? Who is Chima? Please, forget about that one.
Mama, don't forget that Chima saw me through school.
And so? Is he the first person? Is he going to be the last person? Eh? We will pay him off as soon as you get married to the prince.
Mama!
Yes! We will pay him off.
Hey!
You see why I said you should not rush to accept his proposal? Eh? Because I know that definitely you are going to get married to a rich man. A prince. I saw it in my dream. I know it. Huh? You can imagine a graduate meeting a rich graduate. Not an O-level, under church rat, shop rat man. Eh? Etuede. With this asana. You want to end up in that shop? God forbid. You will dance, oh. You will dance.
Mama, I will not dance.
You are going to dance and dance. And dance and win his heart. That day you must get married to this man.
I will not. I don't want to dance.
You will dance. Your sister, your sister Isoma will teach you how to roll this waist. You know, she knows how to throw leg. She will teach you. And you will roll this waist, that you will roll it and win the heart of the prince.
Mama, I don't want
you
to
become the queen.
I don't want to roll my waist to anybody. Please, I don't want to do it. And stop telling me that.
You are even talking, I will not do this. I will not. Let me ask you. Has Chima not been sleeping with you? Has he not been sleeping with you?
Mama, please.
He's been sleeping with you up and down, left and right, back, front, everywhere.
Mama, stop it. Stop asking me such questions. I don't have any answer to it, Biko. Stop asking me. Yes.
Which means you've been paying him unknowingly now. Yes, you've been paying him unknowingly. Because when you wide your leg, that is where he collects his money from.
Mama, please, it's okay. Just leave me. Babe, see, you just have to hold on. You don't have to be in a rush. You are talking about marriage, not boyfriend, not girlfriend, not dating. Marriage, everlasting something. You need to take your time. You just have to.
It has been over 3 months you finished your youth service. And we've been talking about this over and over again. I want you in my life as my wife and not a girlfriend. Look, I want us to grow together. I want you to support me in my business. I want that companionship. I want that bond. You can't just keep answering girlfriend, boyfriend all the time now.
See, let me tell you. You can grow your business without me being your wife. Yes, now. Without me being in the picture like this, normal like this, like normal sense like this. Okay, let's assume that I'm dead now. You will still succeed with your business now. What is your problem? You just have to take things slow. I love you. Not that I don't love you. You know, in my heart like this, if you can tell my heart, you see that I love you so much. I want to be your wife. I want to spend the rest of my life with you as you wish. But like this now, you have to calm down. You need to take things slow. Fine. You sponsor my education when I lost my dad. But you just have to take things slow. You're just rushing everything and the whole thing. I'm just confused right now. Just relax. Oh, relax, Biko. Don't be in a rush.
Look, tell me the truth. Are you afraid?
Afraid? Afraid of what?
You can tell me anything. We can walk around it.
Afraid of you or afraid being married to you? Which one?
Anyway.
I'm not afraid of anything now. Why would I be afraid? The thing is that when it comes to marriage, you just have to calm down. You're young now. Don't they rush things? I'm not going anywhere. I'm here with you. I'm not traveling to any place. I'm here. You just have to take things slow, like I said earlier. Relax. Oh, calm your mind.
But we've been dating for 4 years.
Yes. I want us to enjoy the dating. Once children comes now, we cannot do anything. No. I cannot be putting on this clothes again. This makeup, I will not be doing it again. No. Allow me to enjoy my youthful age. Because once pregnancy come now, I will start be tying wrapper. I've been doing the sleeping. I can't be going out. You know I'm a fine girl. Look at me now. You want all this beauty to waste just like that. Relax.
But I mean, you've come of age to settle down now. We've both come of age to settle down.
How will I explain for you to understand what I'm saying? See, let me tell you. Not that me, I don't want to marry you. Me, I want to marry, but you just have to wait. Exercise little patience. Oh, I'm here for you now. Smile. Fine bobo, my fine bobo. Baby, more. Smile now. Don't tell me you don't like this thing that I'm doing. Once children come now, I can't be doing this. Just relax your mind. I'm here for you. And my love, what about the 50,000 you promised to give to my mother? See?
Okay, I'll give you so you can give it to her, okay?
Are you serious? Hey, that's why I love you. I can't do without you, Obimo. My Obimo.
But you know you have to think about this. This is very important. I'm sure that your mother wants this too.
Hey, I'm not going anywhere now. I'm with you because Diego. Let me give to my mother.
Money, yeah. It's for your mama.
Hey, now that's why Let me. Don't worry. Don't worry. I'll give to my mother.
It's more than 50,000.
Hey.
No.
Okay, I'll give my mother 50. Oh yeah, take. No, take. Let me give this something.
Don't worry.
Use
this to buy another makeup. Don't worry. Take.
Are you serious? My baby, you see why I love you. I can't do without you in this village. Hell, maintenance money.
Guy, Adobe doesn't love you. If she loves you, she would have got married to you. Or better still, got pregnant for you. I don't know why you're killing yourself for her. Must you make excuses for her? Must you make excuses? Can't you see it? That girl does not love you. He does not love you, please. I know no matter what I say now, you will not take my word. But I must let you know that that girl does not love you.
Well, we are taking our time. Bro, this is marriage we're talking about. And marriage is not something you just rush into.
Marriage? You are talking about marriage. Where you are saying that this girl does not love you. I mean, that will let her, this girl does not love you. She is taking you as a bank, a bank where our full family will be withdrawing from it whenever they want it. Just keep fooling yourself, making excuses for her. She does not love you. She does not. She does not. I beg, give me egg, make her eat, I beg.
I hope this your sermon is not because you want to get something on credit, Abi?
Now you're insulting me. But when it comes to Adobe, you will give her everything in this shop. I beg, let me eat, Jared.
Alright, give me money first now.
Oh, you're insulting me now. You're not insulting me. But where's the egg? Let me pick it myself.
Nah, I have told you to stop putting pressure on her. I assure you that definitely she will settle down with you this year. Why are you putting pressure on her? Huh?
Mama, I just want us to get married so that we can help each other in the business, so we can grow together.
So are you going to force her to marry you now? See, you both have a very long way to go. You are young and she's young. Why don't you just enjoy yourself for now? Why are you doing as if you are old? You are young people. Eh?
Mama, we are young, yes. But we're not getting any younger. We're getting older. We have to settle.
Just take your time. Stop this pressure. Relax. You will marry her, I assure you. Take my word. It's okay. Thank you, huh? Okay now. I'll see you later.
What's that sound?
I think I can hear it too.
Yeah, like a culture.
Yes, it's drum.
Yeah.
I think it's some maidens practicing for the upcoming event.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, that would be nice. Can I watch?
Sure. Let me lead you.
Oh, okay.
Now.
What?
You're not dancing now, you're just focusing on that bead. Please just drop it so that you can focus on the dance. I'll be
special
playing
bead
this
now.
Something you're not even paying me, I'll be playing this in.
You say why you shouting? A special bead.
Yeah, drop it. I know even though it's a special bead, drop it so that you can concentrate.
Oh yeah, it's okay. Play. You say you're not even playing well. Play, Joe.
Yeah, let me play it now, yeah. Onye burasu niyi nda. Onye burasu niyi nda. Panu monye burasu niyi nda. Inini yokoko, inini yokoko, inini yokoko nda. Inini yokoko, inini yokoko, inini yokoko.
No, come on. Continue. I'm enjoying it.
But you can run for your life, huh?
No, why are you running? Come, I'm not harmful. Wait, hello. I'm harmless. Why are they running?
I don't know my prince. I'm surprised myself. My prince. I found this. I think it belongs to her.
Do you know them?
No, I don't know them. I don't.
She's really a good dancer.
Are they coming?
I don't know. Hi. Isioma.
How they not coming?
No, I don't know.
Are you sure we're not in trouble?
No, that will not concern me. Now, Crown Prince be that.
Crown Prince?
Yes, now.
What is he doing in the bush?
If you ask me, who I go ask one? I'm going to my house. I go house. I'll meet you later.
Are you sure we're not in trouble? Wait.
I don't know that. I will meet you later. Eh? Just
wait for me now.
My dear. Nice to see you again. I'm so happy you're here. Okay, you know why I'm here. Can I see those materials?
Oh. You know this is the house, but I have them here. This is it. And I know you will like this one. Just feed your eyes. Go ahead.
Oh my God. I love this.
I knew it.
I love this.
You have
so
eyes.
Beautiful, gorgeous.
You have eyes for good things. I knew you would like it.
Am I not beautiful too?
You are.
Yes, and this one. I'm taking this. That and this. Let me see the jewelry. Let me see the jewelry pack.
Okay. These are the jewelries.
Wow! Wow!
I know what you like.
This is looking so beautiful. It's looking romantic, in fact.
You know, if you pair these clothes, this and this,
you pair it with this gold jewelry. Ah, you look
My husband
sumptuous.
is going to, you know, the way my husband behaves when he sees me on beautiful attire.
I don't know about that. Oh.
That's why he's always inspiring me to wear more. Oh, this is so gorgeous.
Yes.
I love it. So, but my friend,
that means you're taking
I'm taking this too and the
this
jewelry. Yes.
Yeah. Ah, that's so good.
Yes. But they are too expensive. Have to deduct something for me now.
Okay, I'm going to remove 50,000 naira from the price we've talked about.
No. 50,000 is nothing. 50,000 is nothing. Please, okay, just slash 100.
No. I'm doing my friend now. No. Do you know how expensive and stressful shipping goods into this country is?
Tell me about it.
I go through all this for nothing. No, now, my friend, please.
As if I don't know about it. What it costs to ship something from there to here. My dear, 100,000 naira.
My friend, do you know that if you remove this 100,000 naira, there will be no profit again. I'm not making anything. I won't make anything from it again.
Your husband just told you to entertain me while he was living. So add it as part of the entertainment.
Okay, let's make it 50-50.
Nope. 100.
Oh, my friend. Oh, it's fine. You are in my house and I'm excited to
Deal?
see you. Yes, it's a deal. It's a deal. It's a deal.
Thank you.
It's a deal.
I'm going to look so beautiful in this material.
You're very beautiful.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Can say
No. You're going to buy more. You're going to buy
My
more.
husband is going to be all over me. You know what I'm saying? Oh my God. Fine. We're done with business.
Yes.
Now, what about your daughter you told me about the other time we met?
Oh.
She's not here?
She's not around at the moment.
Oh.
But let me show you her picture. Let me show you. That's my daughter. And this is my son. He's a lawyer. He lives in the UK.
Hold on with your son. Let me see. This daughter of yours. She is so beautiful.
Thank
She's
you.
beautiful.
Thank you.
Oh.
Like mother, like daughter.
You can say that again. Oh my God. She's so cute.
Thank you. Thank you.
You know what? I have a son. My prince is so handsome. In fact, when you see my prince, your hair will roll. So, and he is single and searching.
Lolo Uju.
Yes, baby.
Why are you suddenly telling me about your single son?
What I want to know is your daughter also single and searching?
Is it what I am thinking?
We are taking this relationship to another level.
We are taking it to a higher level.
You can say that again. Oh my God. She got to be in my family. She's so cute.
Thank you. This is a very good idea.
Greetings to the finest man in the entire kingdom, my prince.
Greetings.
Oh my goodness. It's so nice to see you again.
Yes, been a while.
It has. How have you been? How was your trip? Tell me all about it.
Oh, my trip was good. How have you been?
Yeah, I've been good. I've been fine. That's a lovely bracelet.
Oh yes, I picked it from somewhere.
Oh.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Very beautiful.
So how's your mom?
Oh, my mom, she's fantastic. She's doing fine. How about the queen? Where is she?
Oh, she's upstairs.
Upstairs, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me go say hi to her. I'll be back.
All right.
Oh.
was dancing and I removed it and kept it here.
You don't see him?
No. Sure, I kept it here.
Like here you drop him now. I mean, sit down.
And then you asked me to go
here.
Hey.
You sure say you don't check well?
I've been looking for it for 1 year.
No worry, we'll go see him, No worry, we'll go see him.
That bead must not lost now. I must not misplace it.
No worry, we'll go see him. I know it's not your grandmother get
it belongs to my mother. Her mother gave it to her.
Your grandmother be your mother.
My mother's mother.
Oh, okay. Your mother. That's grandmother. Okay, no worry, we'll go find her, Just check. See, you go check around this side, You know, this side now is your Ma, go rush, go check that road,
Which road now? Help me look for it now.
I don't check now. Ma, just go check that road, Yeah, just see the check, It's serious, the check am. Go see am, No worry. Just the check, Concentrate the check am,
Oh God, please now. Where are you now? Where are you?
Iruna, listen. I like you, okay? I mean, you're a fine man, gentle, and sweet looking. But then again, we are not of the same class. I mean, you are an ordinary auto-rickshaw repairer. A keke repair, tricycle repairer. How are we supposed to relate? How? You see, I don't want to stress you. Being that you can foot my bills, you can take care of me, you can do sort of things, So let it slide. Don't stress yourself, okay?
Chisom, I love you so much. And I will do anything humanly possible to see you happy. Listen, Chisom, seeing you around gives me so much joy. Please.
Anything?
Yeah, anything.
Anything you say. Okay. Can you give me money for my toiletries? Yes, in fact, I need 20,000 naira for my handouts. Can you give me?
I don't have 20,000, but I have 10,000 naira with me. I promise you I will get the rest of the amount tomorrow.
Sorry.
Please.
You have 10,000?
Yes, I have 10,000 naira with me.
You complete it tomorrow?
Yes, tomorrow. I promise you, first thing tomorrow morning, I'll get the balance.
Fine boy. I'll be waiting.
Should I go and get the money?
Go ahead. I'll be waiting.
Why people too blind? Why people too blind in this world?
See, as we be like person we bless, we go Jehovah Witness program. They no allow preach. You just pour. Leave that girl. She go put salt for her. She go suck you dry. See as you be. That girl na chromoto girl. I'm a chromoto, she's a chromoto. She's a hookupian. She go chop you wrong. Freestyle again. Go for the border. We bless say we natural. If you get and clear, you say no. She go put your hand for Jaglova.
Don't do. Make I tell you one thing. Ear when no dey hear word, neck dey fall and comot for body. Na heartbreak dey wait for you, so heartbreak. Abobi chop, you no wan chop because of stupid girl.
I no go understand.
Okay.
I really like that babe.
Ramsey Noah.
I like Chisom so much.
You never say anything. You know see who go fall in love with na Koromoto. A girl filled with Koromoto. Nothing concern no be. You know see the kanka where they come. Benz. You dey use leg.
We go share you.
We dey walk keke. We go gather money do fix engine. Nah, you go come carry and go buy toiletries. I need money for handout. As you go do her like this.
You dey sell 10k always. You know we say you too get the 10k.
Chop food or osa.
If you no chop, we gotta chop this food.
Wetin dey there? No chop my brother. Go.
Only wetin concern me now na to finish this food. Sleep tomorrow. May I still begin go dey carry iron for workshop.
Wetin you dey think? No be wetin this my guy dey think. As he full like this now, love. Love never put you 4 years imprisonment, you never see anything. Love go sentence you to 4 years imprisonment. Take and play.
I don't understand. I don't understand at all.
Chisom, come to think of it. What does that guy want? No, I mean, what's his name? That auto rickshaw repairer. What's his name now? Remind me of his name. Ehona or whatever they call him. What does he want from you? Well, if you ask me, I would say you should do to him what girls like us do to guys like him. Hence, he doesn't want you to rest. It is money. Show him that you know what you're doing, that you are the game here.
Doris, I think everyone is you. It's obvious you've not noticed that Chisom is in love with that guy.
Point of correction. Not my Chisom.
Well, the truth is, I love him. I like him, but then again...
What?
His job.
Chisom, please. This thing you just said now, don't repeat it again. Don't repeat it, please. How can you say you are in love with that thing? See, if to say you be my younger sister, now dirty slap I go use reset your brain right now.
What?
Common auto rickshaw repairer, you want... Why they do like this now? Have you checked yourself out? Posh, fine, beautiful girl like you want to stoop so low to that guy's level. No, they fall my hand now. No, they... What do you want make people talk? Okay, now, imagine yourself. You go to work out with that kind of thing. If people can't see two of now, babe.
Doris, do you realize that it's not every rich man that was born rich? Some of them started even in worse situation than Iruna. What is wrong with you? In this life, you can't judge a man by where he is standing at the moment. Look at the future. Iruna even has a good handwork. And you are judging him like this. Chisom, if you know what is good for you, ignore the rubbish she's saying. Go for what your heart wants. As I'm looking at you, I am sure you are in love with him. And follow your heart. He has a future. Don't mind her.
Me, I no get problem with you. But if you reach your turn, go they follow Iron Condemn. Those aboki where they do pa. Or better still, you see those soccer where pit soccer, where they sock. You know now, go they follow them. Chisom, no run now. No do one, no for my hand. No, they follow this girl, they do all those things.
And that guy is cute. Hi, that guy is fine. What he poor.
Now you get the line.
This guy is poor. This guy is poor. But you have been collecting money from him. The ones you've been collecting, is it not money? See, Doris, I detest how you talk about young men. It gives me problem. Like, I don't know if in your previous life, men did something bad to you. Because this one is too much. How would you detest young, promising men that are very hardworking? So you are now judging a man by his present situation. You've forgotten that tomorrow he might be big. He will make money tomorrow. And when he becomes a millionaire, Chisom, you really want to enjoy it. So please, I beg you again, follow your heart. Leave Doris alone.
But make I shock you, we know they talk of tomorrow. Now thing we dey talk. Wetin dey happen now? Suppose they squeeze the thing come off from their hand. And my Chisom go dey run now. Dey with me. You understand? Take 5. I know say nothing for my hand. You be my G. Dey with me for life. You understand? Don't follow this girl.
Pity for you.
Hello. Hi. How are you?
Fine.
Okay, I'm looking out for one girl. She's masculine in nature.
Okay.
Normally wears shorts and I think she do put on this bucket hat.
Oh, okay. The keke driver.
Yeah, that's her. You Roma or something, right?
Yeah, she's my sister.
Okay, please call her for me.
All right. Okay. Oh, no problem.
No.
Right.
I'm here for good. I'm here for good. Hello.
Okay, what's happen now? Why they follow me?
Beautiful. Come on, man. You want to calm down, okay? You see, I have to cancel my appointment just to know your place. I asked after you, asked around, and they told me that you could not go to work today because your keke is bad. But it's okay. I'm coming. Let me compensate you with something, okay? There's just a small token left in my car, so you can have this, so maybe to compensate you for the day.
Mr. Man, please go away with this. I don't need it. Okay? Did I ask you for money?
You're gonna calm down. I am Mario. K-Money. You see, I'm just giving you this token for you not working today, then maybe you can get your keke fixed. Come on, I'm here for good.
My keke is already fixed. Thank you very much. Please leave. I don't want my parents to come out and see you here. Please go away.
Let me tell you, your parents will be happy to see me. Yeah, you're Mario Money, man. Shit. Are you seeing my shadow? This is the real me, man. Talk to me. You can have this. If you want more, I can do a transfer or something.
Mr. Man, I'm going to say it again in case you were not listening the first time. Please leave. I don't need your money. I did not ask for this, okay? And you don't have anything else to offer me besides money. And I'm not interested. In fact, I have a man, okay? Please, go.
Come on. See, let me tell you, I've actually investigated you. And I'm not trying to be braggadocious, man. You don't have a man. When it comes to K-Money, you don't have a man. Is that mechanic guy? Come on, you deserve more than that. K-Money is going to transform your life and that of your parents. I'm going to make you enjoy life.
Okay, you don't have it. You are jobless. You don't have sense. You just have money. You don't have sense. Please, I don't want to have to embarrass you. Leave. Do you understand me? Leave right now.
You know, when
you don't ever call me out for this man again.
You know, excuse me, young lady. Well, you're going to give me a chance to transform this. Change your life. Even if you want to go into keke, you can be importing keke, selling, and not driving as someone that K-Money fine loves in. That is my problem with poor people. You have been hustling all day looking for 1,000, 2,000, 10,000, but here the money is, and you're turning your back. Anyway, I'm going to come back for you. Don't forget to tell your parents that K-Money was here. Let's go.
I'm surprised at you. What are you saying?
I said it's not bad looking and it looks nice.
He looks nice.
Yes.
Anyway, that's your business. That's not even what is wrong with me right now. I am tired. I told you my keke broke down, right?
Yeah.
I had a hectic day. I need to rest.
Oh, sorry. Sorry. So, will you like to have your bath first or you eat first?
I will eat, but let me shower first. Eh?
Okay.
Where's Mama and Papa? Where did you say they
We went for evening mass.
Evening mass. Okay. Oh yeah, let me shower.
Alright.
What did you cook?
A biscuit.
Are you sure she's doing the right thing?
Whatever she's doing is the right thing. You see, Ihuoma, let her be. Let her do whatever she wants to be. It's the right thing. I don't know why you keep bringing this thing up.
I am praying for her.
I'm also praying for her. I just say let's forget this thing. Must we keep repeating this all the time?
But this is equally important now.
It is important.
So, sleep on it. We keep repeating the same thing. Eh? Are you not tired of repeating the same thing?
You nag a lot. We're just having a harmless conversation. Why don't you just let us get home before the devil in you come out?
Eh?
Before you so that you can have chance to talk to your houseboy anyhow.
Oh, the devil in me. You're now married to a devil. Is that what you mean? Which one is your own? Okay, the devil in me. Continue now. Go on, talk. I'm tired. I'm not ready to say anything. After all, the vegetable I took to the market, I didn't finish it. I didn't finish selling. Let me be big.
Everything, you get angry. Okay, sorry, oh. Have faith. Have faith. Tomorrow you will sell better.
I'm not angry. I'm meant to your prayer, but I'm not angry. All I'm saying is, let Ihuoma be.
You see, as from today, you'll be teaching your sister how to dance. All those your good step. Teach her how to do it. Did you hear me? Okay, as from today.
Okay. And it's first thing tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow morning?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
I have farm work in the
My
morning.
friend, forget about that farm work. After all, I have not paid. Oh yeah, go inside and start preparing evening food.
Alright, ma'am.
See,
I hope she's not going to dance on that day.
God forbid. Is she a mad woman? See, I want you to be serious. Learn how to dance, throw leg, learn. You have upper hand though.
Mama, trust me now. Let me show you the dance
okay,
step I
show
will
me
use.
What is this? Is this what you are going to do that day?
Mama, give me hope now. Encourage me now.
Encourage you. It's just to carry your boom. Is it the backside they want to see or how to dance?
But I've tried now.
I'll see. I don't want you to lose this opportunity. Please.
Mama,
I trust you.
I will not lose it, trust me. Hey, Mama. You know that the prince just came back from America and he will like all this foreign dance. Let me show you an example. Woo!
In Apuala. Get out! Sit down!
Mama, I'm trying.
Are you a mad girl? What is this?
It's like this.
I will slap you. Sit down.
Mama, encourage me now. Every time is this summer. Encourage me now.
Are you a mad person? In the presence of everybody, you are going to so you're mad because you've been sleeping with that boy. That is why you're putting on like this.
Gojo. Stop, Mama.
Come on, get inside. If you
Mama,
like.
I'll make you proud though. Hey, I'll make you proud. Don't worry. I'll not disappoint you.
Chimata kwa nwa ya nwa isikwe nke ụmụ a na-eme o. Chimata kwa nwa ya atasaghị ya. Go for it.
Thank you. You're spending quality time with me. Thank you so much. Okay? Thank you. And then when you get home, send me word to your mother. Alright?
Yes, my friend, I will.
And please, drive safe.
I will.
Come here.
Thank you so much.
Be good, okay? Bye. Alright, see ya.
Oh, Lincoln.
My king.
This particular princess I saw in my palace. Why is she here?
Chetachi.
Yes, Chetachi.
Oh. She's here for a visit. She's my friend's daughter. Her mother is my business partner.
That particular princess comes around here whenever my son is around. I remember about 5 years ago, she was here. And that was when my son came back. Are you sure she's not up to something?
My king, I don't understand what you're saying. The girl is not even in the country, so how can she be coming here? She just came to the palace. Huh?
Okay, she's not in the country.
Yeah, she's schools at Toronto.
That means to say that whenever my son comes back, is the time she's coming back. Are you sure of her?
My king, like I said, she is just a visitor, family friend. See her as a family friend. See, her kingdom knows that my son cannot marry any maiden apart from a maiden from this land. She's nothing but a visitor, a family friend.
It's okay. Well, you know you women. Most women doesn't go where they don't have mission. I really want to say that you are sure of what you're saying.
Are you saying that women are predators or what?
I just say what I know.
I think you worry too much.
It's all right. It's okay.
No, come on, continue. I'm enjoying it.
But you can run for your life, huh?
No, why are you running? Come, I'm not harmful. Wait, hello. I'm harmless. Why are they running?
I don't know, my prince. I'm surprised myself. My prince, I found this. I think it belongs to her.
Do you know them?
No, I don't know them. I don't.
She's really a good dancer.
Lord, how did I misplace this bracelet? How? Or is Ejike lying to me? Mba. Ejike cannot lie to me. No, now. This bracelet is so precious to me. God, please help me. Help me. But come to think of it, why is my stepmom asking me to teach Sister Adobe how to dance? A real dance for that matter. Why? What is really going on? Isioma, concentrate, focus. Forget that thing and think about where you kept your bracelet. Oh, God, help me now, eh? My mind, where did I keep this? Where did I keep this bracelet now? Where? Oh, God, I'm losing my mind. I'm so restless. When I was dancing, I remember I pulled it out and kept it on the floor. When Ejike was complaining, I pulled it and kept it on the floor. How come? Oh, God, I'm so restless. God, please help me to find this bracelet. Help me.
serious? Omo, I don't believe say you fit fix keke. I don't even think say you get strength to walk.
You know, say, now me be example of don't judge his book by the cover. Because so many people they see me like this, the way I take fair. They feel say maybe I don't know this work. But they don't know, so now this work, now I take the chop. Now my hand work with this.
You sabi the work, not true. Not true, I don't believe you. See my keke, they sound well. I think cruise go anywhere I like.
I say you go cruise around town today.
God,
You know
thank
the story now. Now me be Iruna, the keke doctor, the #1 keke man for this town. Nobody near me. Nobody.
Don't be lie. You finish work. You finish work. Go and take her, collect. Have fun now. Make we chow now. I don't tell that woman make she bring rice. Madam, make she bring for you.
Don't worry now. I dey okay now. Besides, I don't chop this morning now.
I don't want money. Don't pass now. This time don't go now. Make we eat together. Madam!
Me, I dey even dey do 001 most times. This one say why I won't chop this morning because of say food day now. Why I chop? Most times we dey for 9 now we dey chop now. We go chop that 9 food like this. We go dey catch out for our belly. We go chop another kind of thing. We carry us enter the next morning. We go dey very very physical and strong for work. 0-0. That one mean say you no go chop for morning. You no go chop for afternoon. Then at that night we go come chop. Maybe say you go chop for another kind of 10 o'clock when you don dey late well. So that one I go come carry you now enter the next day. You go dey strong and active for work. So we no dey chop anyhow. You know, say na house like I be now. I know we go dey use all my money now. Say I want to buy food anyhow. You no make any sense.
And I me won't buy this one.
No worry. And also besides, you don't spend too much now. See what you dey buy. You buy all. You buy. Me, I dey pity for you. As you see me so now, I get sympathy well for you. And they pay me say you dey spend all this money. But what thing I go do now? Na my work I go do now.
They pity for me.
What I go do? I dey pity for you.
See better man, no. Are you serious? You see those your colleagues? If not them, they go order for more plates. They go order extra meat, sef.
Those ones
You see, especially that one when carry hair like mopping stick. That one
okay, na okay.
Okay.
Na that one they give problem, abi.
That boy, that's it.
That boy, I don't know the kind of person that boy be.
He dey vex always. Why?
You know, be saying the verse. If he say he no just like anything woman. If he say woman, they can't chop person money. So the thing they pay now.
You don't like anything woman.
Anything woman.
I bet they cover yourself.
If they call them koromo, koromo abi koromo. You know the name.
They cover yourself. Oh, this one I don't like.
No. You know they do boy.
You sure?
This is the money you asked me.
I thought you said tomorrow.
Yeah, I was able to borrow from a friend.
Why? Why? Do you want to sleep with me? I mean, if you do want to sleep with me, say it so we'll just do it once and for all, and you stop stalking me. It's obvious you're doing everything to win my heart. Yeah, the other day you got me medicine when you heard I wasn't feeling fine. You gave me money for a new hairstyle. Even this wig I am wearing, you bought it for me. I'm feeling guilty about it, so just spill it. Let's get a hotel, you go down with it, and you rest.
Chisom, I love you and I just don't want to have you and back off. I see a future with you.
But it's not working. Can't you see? We do not match. You're a keke repairer. Remember you told me you stopped your education at O level, secondary school level. Look at me. I am a final year student of political science. So how do you want us to relate? How is not... Don't get me wrong. You're my spec. You're a fine man. Look at you. You're fair, cute, handsome. But we do not match. You know they're my level. If I date you, Doris will laugh at me. I know Deborah will agree for us to date. Understandable. But if we work, we cannot.
Chisom, you need to understand something. Chisom, I love you. I don't care about your qualifications.
It's okay. Just give me the money, okay?
Listen, Chisom, I will take care of you, okay? I will pay your bills. This keke man you're seeing today might become the man you desire tomorrow. Just give me a chance to prove my love for you.
It's fine. Is the money complete?
Yeah, it's complete.
20,000. I want to feel you. You're my spec. Come here. Come, baby.
So you just want to have sex with me?
And what is wrong with that? I mean, I want to have all of you. There's nothing wrong with being friends with benefit, or let me just say, neighbors with benefit.
Chisom, stop. Is that why you called?
Why are you acting so stubborn? Look at me. Am I not beautiful enough? Am I not sexy enough? What else do you want? Come here.
I'm sorry, I can't do this. You need to stop this. Stop!
I want you. Let me go lodge. Let's lodge somewhere. Just have fun this night, please. Just watch me.
Chisom, you need to understand something. If you can't acknowledge me as your boyfriend in public, you can't come at 9 seeking for love. I can't do this, okay? I just don't want you because of sex.
Oh, well, I can't also. I won't do what you want. Irina. Are you going to walk out on me? Irina. We need to. Hey. This boy is proud.
Come, this small pin charger. I will not warn you again. No. Why are you going about telling people lies about me?
Are you mad? What gave you the right to harass me in such manner?
You decided to go and cheat on me after everything I've done for you. You decided to go and cheat on me.
You will kill him. Why? For what?
Can't you see he's a distraction to my daughter?
So you know I'm a princess and you dare try to blackmail me with those words?
Exactly why you should behave like one now. You can't be dragging a commoner like that.
If you ever let those filthy wretched hands on me again, I will slap you!
You wanted to ruin my own daughter's relationship?
How was I supposed to know that someone was snitching on me? Are you stupid? Don't you have respect for ladies? How dare you touch my butt?
I thought I've warned you to stay away from me and away from this compound.
And I will make sure that I pack my rod in your kingdom.
Oga Chief Guard, which rod is that? 10 mm or 5 mm?
and everything that has to do with a miserable lineage will be wiped out from this community.
Sir, please, I'm scared. Please don't do this to me. You're like a father to me, please, sir.
Just stop that. We dare be your papa. We dare born you.
What have you been doing with the money other than flirting with everything and anything under the skirt?
I don't want people talking. As your elder brother, for goodness
sake. Let them talk. I don't care.
And even if I want to cheat, at least not with my girlfriend's friend.
A woman lying on the center with your fiancé, giving him different styles?
I don't know what I'm doing. I don't even know what is wrong with me. I am just numb.
Nurse!
No!
I